As crazy as it sounds, it's almost been a full year since we took delivery of our Cybertruck, and just the other weekend, we finally actually got our Aero covers or wheel covers for it. So we told you guys a while ago, as soon as we got them, we'd give you guys a first look. We're gonna make this video very short for you guys today, but I wanna show you the changes that they made and how they actually really do impact the look of the Cybertruck itself. Let's jump right into it. So you all might have already seen these in another video we've done, but this is the newly redesigned Cybertruck wheel covers or aero caps, whatever you'd like to describe them as. And you can see just how much it really does change up the look of the Cybertruck. I really do personally like them. If you guys aren't familiar with what happened the first time around, I'm gonna focus on this area of the wheel cover itself. And right here is actually plastic. So what they did, they not only made these shorter to not extend into the wheel and rub them, it actually doesn't sit flush against the tire itself now even. It's pretty interesting. It's definitely obvious that it's not flush, but I think this does look really, really good. What happened again is that this extended piece here that are around on the, I guess you can call it spokes of the cover, this extended here and was rubbing and causing these tires to degrade a lot quicker than usual. So that is the reason for the redesign. And a spoiler little tip for this video, if you have not yet gotten your wheel covers here, if you schedule a service appointment, there is a massively increased opportunity for you to get them if you've still been waiting on them. We personally have. We actually scheduled a service appointment for some of the recalls, and that did it. That enabled us to get our wheel covers unprovoked. We never even got the email about them being available, but in the app, in the service maintenance menu, what was happening, it was there, added on by the service team, and I think these look really good. It really kind of makes this truck feel complete, and like I said in that introduction, 11 months later, they are finally here. So if you have yet to receive any of those emails stating that your wheel covers are ready, try to submit a service request. Make sure it's legit. Don't submit a service request strictly for the aero caps themselves, because that might not work. But if you have a genuine request, that is probably going to be the best way for you to get them. Hopefully this will add a little bit of range. We actually have a trip coming this weekend, so let's see exactly what difference this makes for the same trip we've taken from Jacksonville to Orlando in the past. Let us know if you have any questions or want to see more of these type videos down below. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Peace.